Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use your Squarespace site for art. So let's get right into it. So I'll just be creating a new page, which is going to serve as sort of an art portfolio. So let's get right into it. Now you might see this art portfolio button right over here, but if I click on it, it's just going to take me nowhere because I've deleted that page. But let's go ahead and click on the plus next to main navigation, and I'm just going to click the portfolio collection. This is a portfolio of visual work, and it works very well for the purposes we're going to do here. You can do this manually with a blank page. However, these templates work just as well, and they are very practical and easy to use. So yeah, let's go ahead and click on one of them, and I'll select that one. I'm going to create portfolio. I'll just create art portfolio just like so. And now that we've created our art portfolio, I'm just going to select all the images over here, and I'm going to click delete just because I don't want these images that are automatically given to me. Now I'll go over here and click on the plus, and you can add a project if you want, and I'll add, for example, this project. And here you can add project 1. You can remove the image and add your own. As you can see, you can just click here to add your own. So I'll add whatever image I have over here. So for example, I don't know, let's say this one. Then it should load up. And actually, I'm going to use a different image since that image is of a very narrow sort of, what's it called? Aspect ratio. So I'm just going to use this unnamed one, and I'm going to see what that image is. Okay, yeah, that works, I guess. The title can be whatever you want. I'll just call it project 1, and this is the URL slug you have for this. And once you're finished with that, just click save. And now once you're here, you can click on edit, and you can edit the text of your project right over here. And that is pretty much it. So for example, I'll just add more text. This is my art project. I'll scale it up to the entire size of the box. Click save, click exit. And now we've made our first sort of picture. That featured image, by the way, changes the thumbnail of sorts. It doesn't change this image right over here. So if you want, you can then go ahead and remove this here section, then add a new section, add a blank section, and then add a block for an image like so. Stretch it out and add whichever image you would like. Select it from the library, and there we go. And that's pretty much how you add your projects. I'm just going to do one more thing, and I'm going to select this design to fill just to make it fill out like so, and I'll extend it so that the entire image is visible. And that is pretty much in short how you can use Squarespace for your art. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.